what's up you guys? It's Lexi DIY and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And before I even get into today's video, I just want to thank you guys so much because we are so close to 100,000 subscribers, which is like, it's just a dream for me. I'm sorry, I'm like already crying. Hello. I'm just incredibly grateful for all of you guys, so thank you so much. Let me know what you guys want to do for like 100,000 subscriber celebration. If there's a certain video you guys want, maybe if you want me to drop some merch because I may or may not have some on the way. And yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. But if you are already a hot mess homie here, I'm sure you're subscribed. If you're not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so that you never miss when I upload next. I'm gonna stop like jabbering on. Today we're gonna do a little bit different video, which is more like behind the scenes of my process of how I actually design the room and plan it out start to finish. I figured it could be really helpful if you're renovating your house also, because I have two really cool websites that I've been using. No, this is not sponsored by them, but one that I use to do like 3D models of the inside of my room and what I want it to look like. And then the other one is kind of like a mood board, but like way better than a mood board. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use those and how my planning process is going. Next week, we will be on to our master bathroom renovation. I'm not sure if it's gonna be 1 or 2 parts, but we'll see. This was the longest intro in YouTube history, so I will just start the video now. Basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through 2 websites that I have been using to help me kind of keep my plan together. This totally isn't sponsored by either one of them. Wish it was. But the first one is gonna be Home by Me, and this is where I did like a 3D rendering of my entire house. I also found out about this, it's an app, but it's also a website called Milanote, and I found out about it from an amazing YouTuber, XO McKenna. I'm sure if you watch me, you definitely watch her because she's like the queen of DIY. I was watching one of her videos and she was talking about this, so I checked it out and it's so cool. I'll kind of get into more about it once I'm in here, but it has been really helpful, and I know moving forward it's gonna be really even more helpful for like the big kitchen renovation once we get to it, and just like bigger projects, the other bathroom, a lot of stuff. So I'm really excited about it. First thing that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys is my renovation project. This is the house. This is actually the house with all of the walls down. Now there's some complications with that, and this isn't an exact replica of what the house is gonna be because some ideas have changed. It's not quite done in the main space, but I'm just gonna take you guys over to, we're in the master bathroom, and this is kind of a general layout of what it's going to be like. We're keeping the exact same layout, except we did take out that shub. I keep calling it a shub. The tub shower combination, and we're doing just a stand-up shower in there. And the reason being is we have another bathroom with a tub shower combination as well, and we just feel like the walk-in shower is a little bit more luxurious for the master, so we decided to go ahead and do that just because it is a smaller bathroom, but we want to make it feel really big. This large format tile is definitely going to be something that we are 100% using. I'm actually going to show you a live footage of all of our materials. Some of them we haven't fully decided on yet, so maybe you guys can give us some help with that. This shower door, now this was the only one that was similar to what I was looking for on this website, but it's going to be a lot less intricate than this. So this was just kind of to give you an idea. But yeah, let's move on to the floors here. So the floors are not going to be in this square shape. They're gonna be more in like staggered in a rectangular pattern. and it's going to be, you'll see the exact materials here in a minute, and then I'm gonna actually like show you them in real life, because I have them on my mood board, the exact ones, but I'm gonna show you in real life too, just so that you guys can get the vision. This vanity is, it sort of is like the one that we've already purchased. We got, but you'll see the exact one in a minute, just white with like a marbly kind of top. Black fixtures, and then this mirror is honestly like what I based the entire bathroom around. I haven't seen many bathrooms, even on Pinterest, with this mirror, and I have seen a few, but they're few and far between, and I really like that it's modern, but it still has some character to it. Now, this light fixture was the original one that I wanted to go with, and I didn't think I would be able to find it anywhere. I did find it on Amazon, so I'm gonna leave, and I also found the mirror on Amazon, because I've been having a really hard time finding this mirror, you guys. I went like everywhere. So I'm gonna leave the link for both of those below. We did order the mirror, however, we decided to go with a different light fixture, which you'll see on my vision board in just a second. Let's go on to the vision board. So this is my favorite part. Now this shower over here is kind of more along the lines of what I envision. Like that's kind of an inspiration photo of what I want the shower to be like. Sort of a similar door. I haven't decided on the doors yet, but there's two on Amazon that I'm considering. And the reason that I want to start just buying everything from Amazon is because they're gonna like deliver it for free, and these doors are huge, so it would be really hard for me and Dustin to get them home. But again, this mirror, so this is the link that I found on Amazon, and this one is the perfect size. It's like 33 by 31, which is gonna fit absolutely perfectly in our bathroom. Here's kind of the color palette. I know, boring, gray, black, but it's my vibe, it's my jam. Here is the actual vanity that we're gonna be using, and that's an exact picture. The only thing that will be changed out on this vanity is this faucet here and this hardware here. The great thing is that you guys see these links here. You can literally just open them all up in Milanote. So if you were like planning a bathroom out and you didn't want a million tabs open on your computer, you could like put all your inspiration pictures in and then put the links so that you don't lose it, which I think is like so helpful. So I'm really loving that. Now, these are the floors that we're gonna be doing in the master bathroom, and they're a little bit darker. They actually look a little bit lighter in real life, so I'm gonna show you that in a minute. My absolute favorite part of the bathroom is these large format tiles. These tiles are from Floor & Decor, and they are 2 feet by 4 feet, so they are freaking huge. And it's actually a porcelain, so initially I was gonna go all marble in the shower, but I thought that this dramatic like vein with these larger format tiles was just gonna look so much more elegant, even though it's not real marble, and it was gonna cost a third of what real marble would. Then another thing that I'm really excited about, and I know that we just talked about that light that I had originally thought I was gonna go with until I found this one here. And this is from Amazon, and first of all, I think it's a little bit cheaper. And the other one was from Amazon too. But I just thought like this was so much more appropriate with that arched mirror, because it's almost like it's highlighting a piece of art, which I think that mirror is. And also like you yourself are art. So like when you're going and looking in your mirror and then you have this like beautiful like display light instead of just your general bathroom vanity light, I'm thinking it's gonna be really cool. Could be kind of a risk, but I guess we're gonna see. So that's where we're at. I also have a few different options for the shower flooring, like the shower pan. And I'm gonna show you guys those in real life too to kind of get your opinion, because that's what we're most kind of like up in the air about. I know that this is totally an awkward setup, but we're working with what we got. I'm sitting on a stool on the floor right now here, but this is our shower tile and it is gonna be ran vertically like this. I'm not sure if I've already mentioned it, but it is 2 feet wide by 4 feet long, so it's really big. And it's gonna give that almost like a slab of marble. I'm gonna try to line up the veining, which is probably gonna drive me crazy, but you know how I be. And then this is the flooring that we chose for the bathroom. This is real marble and it's a little bit darker. The rest of the bathroom is gonna be this like very white, bright situation. The vanity is white, we've already picked that out. So we wanted to make sure that there was some contrast. So that's what we're doing with the floor here. But one thing that we are super like in between on is what we're gonna do for the shower pan. And I have 4 different options. 2 of them are actually like eerily similar, and you guys might be like, Lexi, why are you even like questioning between those options? Because they kind of look the same. But like in my mind, they're very different. I don't know. So I'm just gonna stop blabbering on like a crazy person and I'm gonna show you all of the options that we have. Make sure to leave a comment and let me know which one you guys like best, because I need to make a decision like ASAP, like already yesterday I need to make a decision on it. Option number 1. Okay, so option number 1 is this herringbone marble pattern, and I think it's really classy, super like, I don't want to say traditional, but I just really love the look of this, and this would be going in the shower pan and in the shampoo niche as well. So I'm going to give you an up close look of option number 1. Option number 2 is kind of a wild card because it doesn't really match the vibe of the other like 3 options at all, but it's this darker, sorry, I'm holding it up awkward, but like this penny tile that's kind of shiny, and I really love the look of it. I'm not sure if it would give too much contrast to the shower because we want the shower to be like very light and bright and the floors to be the contrast, but I do love this. So I'm not 100% certain. Here's an up close of option number 2. You can kind of see like how shiny it is. And then 3 and 4 look very similar, so please don't make fun of me for that. But I'm like, you guys aren't gonna make fun of me, but maybe some internet trolls will, so I don't know. This is option number 3, and I also love this option. You guys know I love the hexagon. This kind of plays off the tiles that are in my kitchen and in my laundry room, which I love so much. And again, it's that real marble kind of in the gray white pattern, same as the chevron one. And it's really beautiful. I think it could definitely work. So let me give you a close-up of option number 3. Lastly, we have option number 4. And option number 4 are these elongated hexagons. I know they're not like super different, but I do think they bring like a little bit of pizzazz to it, like a little bit of elevation to the hexagon. I don't know if I'm tripping or not, but like that's kind of what I'm thinking. It's again in the same color pattern, so I think it will work really well. And let me give you guys an up-close look at option number 4. Thank you guys so much if you made it all the way to the end of this video. Please, please, please drop in the comments which shower pan tile you guys think that we should choose, because we need to pick it like ASAP. Like, send it to your design friends, send it to people who have like a really great aesthetic, and tell them to watch and pick a tile, because I need to know. But anyway, make sure you're following me on all my other social medias. There will be linked here on the screen and in the description, as well as everything that I'm using for the bathroom that I've purchased from Amazon, or something similar that I'm using for the bathroom that I found on Amazon. I do make a small commission if you happen to purchase through that link, so no pressure, but it is there in case you guys are wondering what I'm using and how much it costs. Until next time, bye guys!